Hello kids, today we will learn alphabet. Parrot green, orange, sky blue, red, blue, yellow, A. Say with me, A. A for ant. B. Say with me, B. B for ball. C. Say with me, C. C for cat. D. Say with me, D. D for doll. E. Say with me, E. E for egg. F. Say with me, F. F for flower. G. Say with me, G. G for guava. H. Say with me, H. H for hand. I. Say with me, I. I for eyes. J. Say with me, J. J for jackfruit. K. Say with me, K. K for knife. L. Say with me, L. L for lemon. M. Say with me, M. M for moon. N. Say with me, N. N for nose. O. Say with me, O. O for orange. P. Say with me, P. P for piano. Q. Say with me, Q. Q for queen. R. Say with me, R. R for red. S. Say with me, S. S for sun. T. Say with me, T. T for train. U. Say with me, U. U for uniform. V. Say with me, V. V for virus. W. Say with me, W. W for watermelon. X. Say with me, X. X for X-ray. Y. Say with me, Y. Y for yo-yo. Z. Say with me. Z. Z for zoo. Please subscribe for more videos.